Welcome to another 101 Poetry Prompts. Today we're on Poetry Prompt 22, Rollercoaster Ride. It was 1959. Between Colorado Springs and Denver, Dad worked there at the time. It was called the Black Forest of scruffy western pine. On Thursday, he would load us up for the bowling league games. At the lanes, we each got 40 cents. Henri, Donna, and Robert were our names. In the summer, it was easy because the park across the street was a summer-long carnival that was open week to week. Now, 40 cents is little now, and it wasn't much back then. But for candy, rides, and soda, the price was always 10. Except for the biggest ride, which made the others look crummy. It was called the Flying Demon Roller Coaster, and it would take all your money. While I was soaring through the air that night, the 40 cents seemed worth it. But then I saw my brother and sister with a cinnamon swirl biscuit. The biscuit, they called it a elephant ear. I had played my money wrong, and I must admit that I was glad when those elephant ears were gone. Okay, thanks for watching, and hope to see you tomorrow.